Hello everyone, I'm going to show you one best website where you can find lot of roadmaps like any roadmap for programming languages or any other computer based concept. For this, we are going to use a website called roadmap.sh. So in this, you can find lot of roadmaps like role-based roadmaps like backend engineer, DevOps engineer, front-end engineer, full stack, DevOps, Android, iOS, software architect, AI engineer, data analyst, blockchain, cybersecurity. Also, you can find the roadmap for skill-based like SQL, Java, Python, AWS, Rust, PHP, C++. So you can find lot of roadmap. For example, I'm going to show you one roadmap. So for example, I'm going to show DevOps. So this is the complete roadmap for DevOps from starting to advanced. So first, we need to learn any programming languages like Python, Go, Rust. So if you select Python, it will provide documentations for Python. So after this, we need to learn operating systems like Windows, Linux. You can also find the documentation for OS. So there are a lot of Linux, and then we need to find scripting languages and terminal knowledge, process monitoring, performance monitoring. After that, we need to find Git, and then VCS hosting and containers. You can see the containers like Docker. If you select Docker, it will provide the documentations where you can learn the Docker. And then you can see the load balancers proxy. After that, we need to learn about the network protocols. You can see the protocols of networks and cloud providers, AWS, Azure, GCP, and then serverless AWS Lambda. So you can see the CI/CD tools, Jenkins, Circle CI, and then you can see secret management, artifact management, container, service mesh, cloud design platforms. So using that, we can learn lot of technologies. So if you want to download, you can log in the website. After that, you can download the PDF. So it is one of the best website where you can learn about the roadmap. So I'm going to show the second example, skill based. For I'm going to show SQL. So it will be the complete roadmap for the SQL from starting to advanced. So in basics, you can see the terms like create table, drop table, and advanced functions, case, and then indexes, transactions, advanced SQL functions. So this will be the complete roadmap. You can also download the roadmap. It will be stored as PDF. So use this platform if you want to find any roadmap for particular knowledge. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends.